12 nutrition. Question number 1, plants need for synthesis of organic molecules. Option D, all of them. Question number 2, dash is present in proteins. Option C, nitrogen. Question number 3, dash is present in nucleic acid. Option D, phosphorus. Question number 4 is dash is present in chlorophyll. Option C, magnesium. Question number 5, dash is present in cytochromes. Option D, iron. Question number 6, main source of mineral nutrition in plants is option C, soil. Question number 7, chlorosis is due to lack of option C, magnesium. Question number 8, roots whose stunted growth due to lack of option B, phosphorus. Question number 9, premature death of plant is resulted due to lack of option D, potassium. Question number 10, plants feed on dead bodies in option B, saprophytic nutrition. Question number 11, dash lives as a tuning parasite. Option D, dodder. Question number 12, nitrogen fixing bacteria are present in dash of leguminous plants. Option C, root noodles. Question number 13, insectivorous plants need insects for option A, nutrition. Question number 14, insectivorous plant that is insect by option C, both A and B. Question number 15, dash is a pitcher plant. Option B, Sarracenia purpurea. Question number 16, the leaves of pitcher plant are partly filled with option B, water. Question number 17, dash an example of Venus flytrap. Option C, Dionaea muscipula. Question number 18, leaves of Venus flytrap is option B, bilobed. Question number 19, detrivorous feed on option C, organic debris. Question number 20, dash is a detrivore. Option Question number 20, dash is a detrivore. Option A, earthworm. Question number 21, gills are present in a common muscle. Option A, 1. Question number 22, gills of muscles are covered with option B, flagella. Question number 23, dash are fruit feeders. Option C, whale. Question number 24, aphids obtain their food with the help of option B, bristless. Question number 25, food vacuole of amoeba is formed by fusion of option B, pseudopodia. Question number 26, dash are stinging cells. Option A, coinocytes. Question number 27, prey of hydra is option D, parazoa. Question number 28, nematocytes consist of option C, triggers.
Digestion occurs in hydra is question number 29, option D, none of them. Salivary glands of cockroach are present in dash region. Option A, abdomen. Dash is the most obvious function of oral cavity. Option B, lubrication. Question number 32, grinding of food is performed by dash teeth. Option A, molar. Question number 33, ptyalin is dash digesting enzyme. Option number B, carbohydrates. Question number 34, reverse of peristalsis is termed as option number B, hunger pangs. Question number 35, cardiac sphincter is present at the junction of option number D, intestine and rectum. Hydrochloric acid is secreted by option number A, mucous cell. Pepsinogen is secreted by option number B, parenchymal cells. Gastric juice consists of option B, mucus, HCl, pepsinogen, ptyalin. Chyme is formed by the action of option D, large intestine. Length of duodenum ranges from option C, 25 to 30 cm. Urea is formed in option B, bladder. Length of jejunum is option D, 3.5 meter. Digestion of fats results in option A, fatty acid.
Question number 44, which part of small intestine is absorptive in nature? Option C, ileum. Question number 45, dash projects from the large intestine between ileum and colon. Option B, cecum. Question number 46. Question number 46.
Number 46, secrete saliva in floor of oral cavity. Option D, both A and B. Question number 47, peripheral cells perform such functions as option B, decreasing in stomach pH. Question number 48, digestive enzymes are secreted by option C, pancreas. Question number 49, goblet cells secreted option A, mucus. Question number 50, dyspepsia occurs due to excessive option B, acidity. Question number 51, common causes of food poisoning are the toxins produced by option D, both A and B. Question number 52, anorexia is an illness which largely affects option A, girls. Question number 53. Which weight loss and malnutrition belongs to? Option B, anorexia nervosa. Question number 54. The major causes of peptic ulcer is? Option C, gastric acid. 13. Gaseous exchange. Question number 1. What is the amount of oxygen in 1 liter of water? Option B, less than 10 milliliter. Question number 2. What is the amount of oxygen in 1 liter fresh air? Option C, 200 milliliter. Question number 3. Oxygen diffuses time quickly in air than in water. Option C, 8,000. Question number 4. Water is time viscous than air. Option C, 50. Question number 5. What is the main source of gaseous exchange in plants? Option B, stomata. Question number 6. What is the number of stomata situated on 1 square centimeter of leaf surface in tobacco plant? Option C, 12,000. Question number 7. Stomata communicates with the spaces present between. Option B, mesophyll. Question number 8. What is the percentage of air spaces present in leaves? Option D, 40%. Question number 9. Photorespiration occurs during time. Option B, day. Question number 10. Rubisco serves as? Option C, both A and B. Question number 11. Glycolate is formed by reaction between RUBP and? Option D, oxygen. Question number 12. Dash is obtained by hydrolysis of glycolate. Option C, glycine. Question number 13. In which organelle glycine is converted in serine? Option D, mitochondria. Question number 14. Serine is obtained from which process during? Option C, photorespiration. Question number 15. In which condition Rubisco serves as an oxygenase? Option A, when oxygen is present in greater amount. Question number 16. How much resistance should take place in which diffusion occur? Option B, should be little. Question number 17. Hydra has organ for respiration. Option B, non-specialized.
Question number 18. From where oxygen passes into blood? Option C, both A and B, skin, epidermal cells and cuticle. Question number 19. How many pairs of spiracles are present in cockroach? Option D, 10 pairs. Question number 20. The movement of air through the dash trunks transfer gases through inspiration and expiration. Option B, tracheal. Question number 21. Fish has dash for respiration. Option D, gills. Question number 22. From dash oxygenated blood is carried to all parts of the body in fish. Option B, gills. Question number 23. Gaseous exchange in frog occurs through? Option D, all of them, lungs, skin and buccal chamber. Question number 24. Gaseous exchange through skin is called? Option D, cutaneous respiration. Question number 25. Gaseous exchange through lungs is called? Option A, pulmonary respiration. Question number 26. Air is renewed after dash in birds. Option B, inspiration. Question number 27. Thin walled ducts present in birds are called? Option D, parabronchi. Question number 28. The blood flow in lungs is dash to the air flow in birds. Option B, opposite. Question number 29. The extension developed by lungs are known as? Option D, air sacs. Question number 30. Air passageways consist of? Option D, all of them, trachea, nasal cavity and alveolar ducts. Question number 31. By two internal openings, nasal cavity leads into?
Start.
Option D, pharynx. Question number 32. When bronchi attain a diameter of dash, they are called bronchioles. Option D, 1 millimeter. Question number 33. Chest cavity is bounded by? Option D, none of them. Question number 34. Pleura is? Option C, covering of larynx.
Start.
Lungs are in dash nature. Option B, tubular. Question number 36. Diaphragm becomes less dome-like in shape. Option number C, when muscles are not in working. Question number 37. During expiration, muscles of ribs are? Option number B, relaxed. Question number 38. Dash is unstable. Option number B, oxyhemoglobin. Question number 39. Hb plus O2 forms? Option B, HBO. Question number 40. How many oxygen contains per 100 ml of blood? Option number D, 19.6 ml. Question 41. How many percent of carboxyhemoglobin of carbon dioxide is present in blood? Option number D, 20%. Question number 42. How carboxyhemoglobin is formed? Option number D, none of them. Question number 43. Carbon dioxide plus H2O forms? Option C, H2CO3. Question number 44. H2CO3 forms? Option C, hydrogen plus carbon dioxide. Question number 45. How carbonic acid is formed? Option D, none of them. Question number 46. Arterial blood contains about? Option number B, 80 ml of oxygen. Question 47. Venous blood has? Option C, 54 ml of carbon dioxide. Question number 48. How many percent of lungs cancer is caused by smoking? Option number C, 90%. Question number 49. How much air is taken inside the lungs during exercise? Option C, 3.5 liter. Question number 50. During exercise, breathing rate may rise to dash 10. Option B, 20.